Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Very, very impressive movement the past couple of days. I realize I state the obvious when I say that, but when you stop and think about the fact that on Thursday the price was down there and now the price has made its way all the way back up there, that's a very, very impressive move. But that does also bring about the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward going into next week. And to my mind, it all revolves around this area right here. And that area sits at $49.30. Why is $49.30 important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where they were. So with that in mind, think about $49.30. If the price were to come down to that area and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out from. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side of things, let's say the price comes down here, behaves in this manner, and then begins to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have a low right there. You'd have those lows down there. And if you envision each of those as stair steps, well, what do you have? Well, now all of a sudden you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, once again, quote unquote, progress being defined as $49.30. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, main level here to keep an eye on. So let's get this change here to red for resistance. And I'll note that this area of resistance was definitely weakened up today, but the price was never able to actually maintain or get any separation. So right up here around $50.45 remains public enemy number one going into next week. All in all, though, anyway you look at it, nice bounce the past couple of days. Now it's just a question of, can the price continue to build upon this momentum? Let's see what happens next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.